On this episode, I present the episode. I get told how bad my car is.
It's in bits, like.
And I get excited about new car parts.
Race car here.
Let's do it! Oh shit, I actually almost did it right. What's up guys, and welcome to the Drift Games channel. Today, I'm alone. Reason being is because they said on the last episode, they did everything to the car, and I did nothing. Which obviously, it was a surprise I knew nothing about. It's not my fault, it wasn't me being lazy. But anyways, I'm on the way down to Motorsport 56, and we're going to be doing a few things to my car. So today we're going to go down, we have a new manifold and a new turbo setup that is at Bob's at the moment, so we'll be checking that out. I'm not fully sure where we're at, what parts have been installed so far, so I guess the next thing is when we get to Bob's to check in with him and actually see so far how much of a transformation has gone into the car, which is exciting. In this project, I never thought any of this was happening. As far as entering goes, I'm just happy to be involved. I'm going to be happy to be at the other side of the camera on the track, which is, obviously I'm still going to be filming, we're going to be vlogging the series and stuff, but yeah, I'm still going to be behind the camera, just on the track, just a different part, not too. Anyways, I am a very competitive person. You know, the people that never let kids win at something? I'm that guy. But yeah, it's something I'm definitely looking forward to actually getting involved. So we are just arriving at Bob's. So we're checking with those guys and see how he's getting on. My car makes stupid noises. Did you hear that? Since the car got revealed to me, I've literally seen it for about 20 minutes in total, so I'm just here actually checking up everything that's actually gone on with it since it's been taken away from me. So on the inside, a fairly big transformation's actually happened. So since it's been rewired, you can tell how tiny it actually is, and they're the only wires that are in sight. And the switch panel, obviously, all the stalks and everything have been taken out of there and now just been replaced with these. So there's 5 switches and 2 buttons. Actually feels like a race car now. Bob, so this has been down here now for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
I'd say 3 weeks.
Yeah. Give us a quick talk about what's actually gone on in the whole process.
We stripped everything out of the engine bay and your heater matrix and everything under the dash, and all the original loom and chassis loom and engine loom and everything, and made a whole new engine loom and chassis loom for the car, and fit the Link ECU, the Link dash, all the Link sensors. Basically, at the moment, it's just kind of, we need to take the turbo off that you have and fit the new one, the new turbo.
Can we have a look at the new turbo stuff?
Yeah, this is the new turbo here. Actually, I don't know, what is it, Garrett, what?
You know what, I literally got told by Walton what to buy, and then I went on eBay and bought it. A GT2860 RS Garrett turbo.
Yeah, 2860, so yeah, that should be fine.
So what's the difference from that, say, to the TD04 that I'm running at the moment?
Well, TD04 would be laggy compared to that one.
Oh really?
Yeah, that'd be this one will spool better, be more responsive.
And obviously the manifold is, well, what you described as junk.
Yeah, it's not a great manifold. It wouldn't be as nice as this one.
No,
and then
like this looks like a work of art.
Yeah, that's a nice manifold.
So picture the scene. It has been a very long week at work, and I have gone to the pub on a Friday evening. A nice cold beer. I get a text message from Josh Holsworth and Dave Egan. Mike, we really need an exhaust manifold for Josh's MX5, and we need it tomorrow. Oh, and it's a 1.6, and we know you don't have a jig or anything like that for them, so could you make this happen for us? Sure, no problem. Tell you what, I'll just turn up to work and this is what happens. Right. And here we go. Here is Josh's exhaust manifold. It doesn't take very long to make at all. It's one of our normal standard off-the-shelf manifolds now, so you can buy this in our very own shop. I promise it doesn't come out like that usually. It's got our curved wastegate port here, like all of our normal manifolds. This is to mitigate as much boost creep as possible. Weld-free flanges, to give you as much strength and support as possible. Obviously everything is welded to the highest possible standard and back purged. So there you go, Josh, done.
So he made this without the car or anything like that?
Yeah, we talked to him back and forth and messaging and went over a couple things, and I think he had everything worked out, so it should have good clearance and the turbo should be at the right height, and then this should clear the chassis leg, the wastegate, so it should be fine. The task today is to try to fit this and figure out what we need for plumbing and down pipe and intercooler pipe and all kinds of stuff like that to try to make it all fit.
So then first of all we're going to get the old turbo stripped off and then start fitting the new one. So I'm not too sure why you're complaining about the manifold.
Because it's pure junk.
Is it cracked there?
Yeah, the manifold's cracked there. Well, it's cracked here, there, but like the inside's welded, so like, well, now it's cracked all along there as well, everywhere.
So would this be leaking a lot?
Yeah, so it would. Does it sound like it had an exhaust leak?
I don't know what an exhaust leak sounds like. So with more investigation into it.
There's leaking here, most of this cylinder, and then this side on the back, and it only had one cylinder that wasn't leaking. Something was, either the manifold was warped or something. It doesn't seem to be leaking on the back side, so it's probably the manifold being warped. So we need to put it up, take the exhaust off, and then fit the new manifold and turbo to the engine, and then see what we need to change from there.
Jack it up. The more we dive into the car, the more Bob finds other things that he doesn't like about it. Now he's talking about the exhaust being rough. What's so bad about it?
It's in bits like this. What is that for? Why do you have two O2 sensor bongs back here? And then there's like, it's like leftover stuff. It's like.
Do you know what this is? This is a classic case of whatever's lying down in the garage.
Yeah, obviously. Like, I don't even know what to say. You have, what's that? That's like 2 1/4 to 3 inch to like, it's like, and then what's this? What is it? Explain this.
Explain this.
What's this situation here? What's this?
It's a standard exhaust.
Yeah, no, I highly doubt that.
See, every conversation with you just is more money.
I have to make a living, Jim.
Just going to interrupt this video for a few seconds to thank one of our partners here at driftgamesmixedgarage.com. They're an online car parts service with thousands of top-end brands that allow you to save money by doing DIY work to your car at home. Meaning you don't have to spend lots of money with your main dealer or your local mechanic. You can get a further 10% off by using our code at DriftGames, DRIFT, on checkout. So make sure you avail of the incredible offers they have online now.
You want to test fit the Walton?
This is the most exciting bit, I think. So is this just temporary, what's going on here?
Yeah, this is just so we can mock up the boost pipe and the down pipe and stuff and figure out all the plumbing.
But so far, the manifold fits them. That's quite impressive that it was made without the engine or car or anything like that.
He didn't have a jig or anything, no?
No.
That is pretty impressive. And the fact that it hit nothing.
Whoa, it looks like a proper race car here. Turbo's up on the top and everything.
Actually looks nice.
It does. The turbo's almost the same size as the engine.
It's not quite now.
So this turbo was bought off eBay, so is this what it's supposed to look like?
Yeah, well it looks fine. The fenders are in good condition. Like it doesn't look like nothing's went through the air filter. Like it seems to be fine. All we can do is hope.
Told you this car's built on hope.
I know, hopes and dreams. I just don't know if the seals inside are good. Oh.
Why does that bit got Tipex on?
See those nuts?
Yeah?
You can't loosen or tighten them. They're tightened to a specific spec in a factory on like a balance so that it's in balance. Go at
Everything
that.
you're saying now is going over my head.
If you go at that or tighten or loosen it, like that'll take that out of balance, and when it's spinning at such high RPM, it'll just flitter off.
Flitter off.
Okay, I'm interrupting Josh's nonsense video here for a minute because I got a huge announcement to make. Our brand new 2020 Drift Games merch line is live now on the Drift Games shop. That's www.driftgames.life. Check out our brand new collaboration with Like Hell Design. The stuff this year looks amazing. We hope you guys are going to pick up some fun stuff, and we'll see you trackside later in the year wearing the brand new range.
So we're just about finished up here now down at Motorsport 56. We've got a lot done, but we need quite a bit of figuring out, I would say, from now on. The turbo manifold is on.
We need to figure out which way we're going to do the hot boost pipe going to the intercooler, and then the oil return to the sump, and then the oil feed, and then the two coolant pipes should be easy. And then there's a down pipe. You might have to modify this to make it clear, and then there's a wastegate that needs to go here.
Yeah, so essentially the turbo on before was on its side lower down there.
Yeah.
So now everything, all the oil lines and stuff have to be extended up to here, and everything's changed. So
Yeah.
the good news is the stuff didn't seem great before.
No.
So it's not too bad that we're swapping it.
Yeah, no, this is a much better kit. The manifold fits nice. It actually has loads of room. It's more serviceable as well, rather than everything being crammed in one spot.
So successful day?
Yeah, successful enough. Actually, everything's went quite smoothly, surprisingly enough.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you, and
Yeah.
thing. Okay, so that's wrapping up today. Hopefully you enjoyed what's going on with the build. We're going to keep you guys up to date with stuff that's going on as it's going on. Obviously, now the main thing to do is to get everything plumbed up and get it all mapped, and actually go for the exciting part of seeing how much power it's actually going to make. Usually Dave would do this bit, so I'm probably going to get it wrong, but smash the subscribe. Nah, I got it wrong. If you're liking the videos, subscribe. If you hit the notification bell, it'll notify you every single time we do a video, and Dave's much better than that, so hopefully in the next video he'll be the presenter and you won't have to deal with me for the whole episode. So yeah, catch you guys on the next one.